Hey everyone, today I'll be solving the question forming triangles that came in educational code forces round 161 D2. In this question, you will be given n sticks numbered from 1 to n, and the length of each stick is 2 to the power of a. Like if I am standing at position ith, then what would be its length? It would be the 2 to the power of a. A is the element at ith position. Now you have to choose exactly three sticks and form a non-degenerate triangle out of them using the sticks as the sides of the triangle. A triangle is called non-degenerate if it has an area strictly greater than zero. It means it must be a valid triangle. And you have to calculate the number of ways to choose exactly three sticks that a triangle can be formed, and the order of the choosing sticks doesn't matter. Like if you are choosing 1, 2 and 4, then it's 2, 4, 1. Then both are same because order doesn't matter over here. Now you will be given n and all the length of the sticks. Not the length, is 2 to the power of ai, the length is. Now let me share the vote. There could be three conditions, like all the sides of the triangle are different, two sides are same, and three sides are same. So there are three conditions. So let assume the first one, in which you have all the sides are different. Let's say I have, and they are in the form of perfect power of two. So if I want to write in the binary form, this is this is let's say one of the side, and the other side would be let's say this, and one more side would be the let's say the other side. Let's say this is the second side, and the third side if I want to write, let's say this, the first side, second side and third side. So triangle inequality theorem says that the sum of two sides must be greater than the third side. So if I want to add those two smaller sides, they cannot go beyond this msp, like the larger side have, because if we are adding those, it means we are doing a or operation only, and or operation will not change their msp from this position, from this to this. I want a msp somewhere over here because I want a greater sum. So if I want to add this two, they cannot go beyond the larger side. So we cannot afford to have three different sides. So it's not possible to have a three different sides in this case, because if you are adding two smaller sides which are different, and it will not go beyond the msp the larger side have, so we cannot afford three different sides. Now what if we could have two same sides, two same sides, let's say this and this. Then the third side should be, like if I wanted to add this two, and I want to have only two same sides, if I will add those, then it would be this. So I want a side lesser than this, the summation. Now to have a lesser than summation, then I could have a msb over here, but I want two same sides and one different, so I can have any msb over here. That's for sure. Like if I'll be choosing then two sides, then the summation must be greater than the third side. Let's say if I have um, any number, let's say I have one only, the third side as one. So if I add let's say this is a and this is b. So if I add this to a, and the summation would be greater than the b because they are same. So if I add any value, it would be greater only from the third side, and if I add this one to the second side also, it would be greater. So the summation of any two sides over here would be greater if I choose something lesser value. So if I have two sides same, then I must have the third side something smaller than the length of these sides. What if we could have three same sides? Yeah, for three same sides I think it's possible. The summation of two sides would definitely be greater than the third sides for sure, because if I add this two, they will be this, and this is greater than one of the sides. So we can have two same sides and we can have same sides, but when we are having two same sides, then the third side must be smaller than those sides. So let me show the code and it will be more clear. What I did is I have taken the input, the sides, and just I have stored in a map. Then I'm traversing it now, and this is a frequency. So if the frequency is greater than 1, because I want two same sides or the three same sides, so if it is, then from those frequencies I can choose two sides, that is if c2, if into like in c2, like if I have n numbers and choosing two sides from those n numbers. So it, in this case I am having if frequency, so if c2, if into f minus 1 by 2, and the lesser sides, so it's ch. Why ch? I've taken a ch variable, and then at the end I'm just counting the ch, the number I have lesser than the current number. So that is ch, the third side. And if the frequency is greater than 2, then I could afford to have three same sides. So that is if c3, if into if minus 1, then if minus 2 divided by 3 factorial, so that is 6. And I have added those to my answer and just printed it. So that's it, I'll be sharing the code. Thank you for watching.